You are going to love the 2020 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, battery saver, driver attention alert system, cruise control, multifunction display. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.